A special celebration needs a special piece of jewelry. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Every Vaisakhi is very special to me as I celebrate Vaisakhi with great enthusiasm and joy along with my friends and family. But this Vaisakhi is even more special to me. You know why? Because Amazon Summer Spring Sale is back here. So sit tight as I drop these latest new additions to my Dawn of Celebrations collections to make my celebrations specials in the most stylish way. But before I flaunt my jewelry which I have bought from this very amazing super summer spring sale from Amazon, let me first tell you what makes this Amazon summer spring sale so special to me. So as you know, Amazon is my favorite platform which is providing amazing and huge varieties of the summer spring collection this season. It not only provides huge variety of products but it also offers great discounts to all its customers. It's fast delivery, great refund and return policy and great customer support is the exclusive feature which attracts not only me but huge varieties of brands as well as clients to shop only from Amazon. And if you are a Prime member, then you can get 1 day Prime delivery by shopping from its exclusive summer spring sale. And not only that, you can also get access to the various other portals of the Amazon like Amazon Music, Amazon Movies, etc, etc. So let me now quickly show you what all jewelries I have bought from this Amazon Summer Spring Sale to deck up my Vaisakhi in style. The very first thing which I've bought from the Amazon Summer Spring Sale is this very beautiful Jiva 925 sterling silver 18K gold plated layered ring. As you can see, it's adjustable and it comes with a certificate of authenticity with 925 stamp. It is very pretty, and as you can see that it is gold plated and it looks like a real gold ring. The second thing which I have bought is again from Jiva brand. Now this is Jiva's 925 sterling silver zircon mandala earring with certificate of authenticity and 925 hallmark. These earrings are rhodium plated to resist tarnish and its design is inspired by our Indian roots that brings the artful culture to life. This beautiful Vogue hair accessory golden color hairpin comes in a pack of 2. It is of 4 by 2.5 inch and it is made up of brass and is gold plated. Its white pearl are made up of good quality and it has AAA zircon studs in it. For my hands, I have got hold on this Priyasi stylish gold pleated American diamond bangle in the size 2.4 inch. As you can see, it is gold plated and it has American diamonds in it. It looks very good and just looks like a real diamond bangle. Now this gold plating allows the plating to stay for a longer time, and as you can see, it looks ravishing on my hands. I really love the quality of this bangle. It's super good. Next is the item which is inspired from the movie Bahubali. Now this is Zeneme's women's gold plated long hair chain which could be attached with earrings to give away a very traditional look. This attachment of hair jewelry can be clubbed with any of your favorite earring to complement your ethnic earring collection for bridal look or for any festival look. The next thing which I've bought for myself is from the brand called iJewels. I have bought 2 amazing 18 karat gold plated necklace sets for myself. This is the first set. As you can see, both these sets have an intricate high polish which creates glamorous reflections and add luxurious looks to the wearer, and it basically enhances the ethnic and classy looks, and it really looks like a real gold set. All the jewelries which I have bought and shown in this video are made up of finest quality stones and environment-friendly non-precious metals, and all are safe for wearing for long hours. All these beauties are live on Amazon to amp up your style this season. I'm going to put all the related links in the description box below. Do check them all, and if you like any of these jewelry, then please click on the link given in the description box and buy for yourself right now using the same link. So shop the latest additions and sway your way through this season in style with the Amazon Summer Spring Sale. So If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to shop from the links which I have given in the description box below. And stay tuned for my next video, because next video I have made on the request of my viewers and friends, and it is based on the branded wallets and handbags which I have. So stay tuned.